flavor. Runts. Candy. Flavor with other natural flavors. So here are the nutrition facts and here are the ingredients. May contain egg. Okay, so the price is $1.09, $1.09. So since it's a candy, there's probably multiple in size. So I have a napkin next to me so they don't roll off my table and send my mom crazy cleaning up all those teeny bits. Okay. Ooh, that was nice. I never knew that they'll be in fruit shape. So they're, oh, what's going on? Come on, come out. You can come out now. So they're all shapes of fruits. Especially the banana. When I look at the banana, you stop rolling away. This is probably the strawberry one. Let's first I'll dump it out. Oh my goodness. Stay right there. The orange is around it, so they're just gonna be rolling away any minute now. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, we have a few more left. That it? Nope, 2 more. That it? 1 more. That's it. Okay, so let's first sort them a bit out. So these are just the chipped banana pieces because I think since the others are round, so they don't really get chipped. But the bananas one are long, so they kind of got broken in the middle, so we're not gonna eat that. So that's the strawberry. We thought this was lime, but as we looked at it, this picture was not a lime, it was a green apple. And it's not really round like a lime was. It's kind of dented like a heart. That's the grape, like a real grape little piece of it. And that's the orange, and that's the banana. So let's try the strawberry. So we're just gonna go around and around like that. Strawberry, grape, green apple, orange, and then banana. Let's try this one. Love you guys. So I'm not sure if it's chewable or not. So my father's I'm gonna give my father the strawberry one too. It's not chewable. Wait a second, it is. You have to bite a bit hard. Not bad. One thing that reminds me is this. The flavor of it reminds me of strawberry flavored yogurt. So I'm kind of impressed with this strawberry one. I'm done chewing it. Pretty fast, huh? Now let's try the grape. I'm gonna give my father the next one too. Grape. So if you know the candy Spree, I believe I uploaded that already. It kind of tastes like that, but Spree is kind of like a disc, but this one's all in different weird shapes. So this is perfectly grape. Now let's try, probably it's a green apple. You're dead. We're not sure if this is probably green apple. Bite it. Bite it. All right, I chewed it. This is green apple. Perfect green apple. Very sour indeed. But not that much. Like, what is that? The juicy fruits. My goodness, those were, well, in my opinion, they were not so great. So there was a lime flavor in that, but this is a green apple. Now I'm moving on to the orange, and I'm giving my father one, although he's still chewing the green apple right now. He's taking so long. Maybe his teeth are old. I love teasing my father like this. Oh no, look at his face. He's probably gonna attack me in about 17 seconds now. Okay, I'm tasting the orange one now. Chew. There you go. At the end of the day, I'm gonna rank it by what flavor I like best and what flavor I do not really like. So far, all 4 of these flavors I tasted so far are awesome. They're all great. I'm not sure how to rank them because they're all so yummy. Now the weird one. I wish I could peel it. Bite. There we go. Gosh, he can't even bite it. Maybe his teeth are really, really old. Maybe his teeth are getting old by now. I love this flavor. The banana like a real banana yogurt. They're all so yummy that even my father can't even rank it. So my father's gonna mouth the words for me so I can put in his rank and I'm gonna put in my rank. First, literally my opposite. First, orange, and then banana. Hello, how are you? Like a phone. And then looks like a strawberry, and then is grape. So that's my father's. Next, my ranking. Where is that? They're all so good. They're all super duper awesome. I'm not even sure I ranked this correctly because I kind of want to switch it up because they're all so great. Anyways, that's my father's, and I'm ranked. So if you guys want to take a picture of this, do so, and then tell me your ranking in the comments below. And just tell me how you think about it. It's okay if you don't like it. It's your opinion. So, press the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Love you, and I'm gonna eat this one.